Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Kind of a crisp fall day this morning. I just wanted to share with you, this is the 1964 Mercury Comet Convertible. We did an introduction video a little while ago. It was in the shop and we talked about the engine and doing the MSD electronic conversion and doing a tune-up on it and replacing the carb and setting it up. So this is a project car that our customer found, and he's going to be playing with it and tweaking it over the winter, and then we'll have it back in the shop in the spring. These are the wheels that we were talking about. We haven't had a chance to wash the blue soap off of the white wall yet, but this is the exact look that our client was going for. So these are a reproduction Magnum 500 wheel. This 64 Comet Convertible normally came with 14-inch wheels. These are an upgraded 15-inch wheel, and he liked the look of the white wall tire. So I'll just get out of the way, and then you can see the profile. It certainly helps the stance of the car and the overall look of the car, and I really like this style. It's a 64 Mercury Comet Convertible, and it's been tweaked a little bit or changed, you know, with exhaust and stuff. Not the way we would have done it. It needs some body work that will be done later, but as a driver, just to drive around, have fun with in the summertime, great car to do that with. We've upgraded the size of the tires. We went with a 205 70-15. They're a Firestone. They're like an all-season radio, but a nice stance. The car had, with the 14s and a low profile, they're like an ET style tire or wheel, and the car sat really low, and just the stance didn't really look right in my opinion. And these Comets, especially in the upgraded model, the Magnum 500 wheel was an upgraded optional wheel. I think it just helps the overall look. And what I'll do is I'll just start it up quickly. It's cold, so the choke will be on, but you get an idea of what it sounds like. So this would have been a 289. It's now a newer 302 with an automatic and dual exhaust. We'll just start it up and you can hear what it sounds like. So there you go, that's a 1964 Mercury Comet, and with the upgraded wheels and a little bit of enhancing to the engine. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.